everyone, this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are really doing well, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, then subscribe it and press on bell icon. So guys, as in my previous video, I used to tell about making the fashion figures, about flat sketches, plenty of things. So in today's video, I am going to tell you about fashion designing. This word is really easy to say, but there are plenty of subjects we study in fashion designing. There are textiles, there are fashion studies, there are surface embellishments, many of. So as fashion designing is a very vast field, but today I am gonna tell you about an overview about what is fashion designing and what we studies in fashion designing. So guys, fashion designing is all about clothing. We learn about clothing, means formation of a thread from the plants to making it in fabric, then just having several designs, manufacturing it, then presenting that particular garment in front of the audience, packaging, labeling, providing that garment to the customer and having reviews. This is a basic form, this is a basic steps we do in fashion designing if we are related to formation of garments, from formation of clothing. So there are several subjects we learn in fashion designing. Of course, when we get into an institution, when we get into a college, it is really new for us. But when we read it, when we get into it, it is quite interesting also. As there are everything we learn in fashion designing. We learn about formation of yarns, fabrics, we learn about manufacturing, we learn about designing the paperwork, the fashion figures which I already shown in my previous videos. You can go and watch it. So here I am going to tell you about some subjects, not all the one, but yeah, an overview what you learn in the fashion designing. So always studying fashion designing doesn't mean you have to only do a job or you only have to own a business like manufacturing of the garments in the end. While just learning fashion designing from a college or an institution, you will get to know about plenty of lines. Any line you can choose in which you are interested, and you can just make up a career in that. Either you can do the job for it, either you can just develop a business for it. Both are really good things, whatever you can do. Fashion designing is something which is a hub of different fields that come together. It's all about formation of a garment, but forming a garment are having different layers, different steps. So here I am telling you some subjects we learn under fashion designing. Hope you will get it and you will find it really interesting. So guys, let me tell you some subjects which we learn about fashion designing. First one I am going to tell you is about textiles. So this is about fabrics, the formation of fabrics, how we use fabrics at different levels by different means, how we obtain thread from the plants. After that, putting all the threads together, how we obtain fabric. So obtaining that fabric from the different means, from the market, from the factories, everywhere. And by just doing many embellishments on that fabric like tie-dye, block printings, digital printing, there it is really a very vast field to learn. Textile also includes another subject which is draping. Draping is seriously very interesting and we can pursue a very good field in draping. So textile, as I told you, it's all about fabric studies, drapings, formations, gaining that fabric. So I hope you are getting that how, of course it's quite typical also, but it's quite interesting also learning about formations. So the next subject is management. Management is a very common subject in all the fields. So because it is quite important to manage the things, whether in personal life, whether in professional life. Management teach us how we can arrange our things, how we can just do time management, and the time management really helps us to go smooth in our lives. And now the third subject which I am going to tell you is really quite interesting one. and people really love this subject. Mostly the fashion designing students will connect to it. The third one is fashion studies. So fashion studies includes about making fashion illustrations, fashion figures. So means all my previous videos are under fashion studies. So now you get to know that fashion studies is really quite interesting subject, because we do always practicals, we play with colors, there are several designs we form. So studying fashion studies is really interesting. And the another form of fashion studies, or we can say the another part of fashion studies, is formation of portfolios, formation of visualization. Means the imaginary portfolio you make, the real portfolio you make. Of course, who are in fashion designing are connecting with me, who already studied, they really know, and who really wants to study, of course they are getting me what I really want to convey. So the fashion designing also includes portfolio. Now my next subject I am going to tell you about is garment construction. It is of course a very main part of fashion designing. It's garment construction means manufacturing of the garment. It includes the cutting and the paper making, making patterns with the measurements, like rough measurement overview on the paper. So of course it is also quite interesting, but it really needs plenty of time, because it's all about measurements and the uniqueness, the focus on the work we do. Now the next one is surface embellishments. It is really quite interesting subject, as surface embellishments includes all the embroideries, beads work, means all the extra work done on the fabric just to make that garment unique and beautiful. It is really done on the basis of the designs, the concept. In India there are different states, they have their own special embroideries. Of course you will get to know when you gonna study in it, or if you are already studying. Every state of India has their own special work, and this is really quite interesting to learn. So at the last but not the least, the next subject is history. History seems quite boring to many ones, but learning fashion history is quite interesting, because fashion history includes that we learn about all the fashion of our ancient time periods, means learning how they just carry their outfits, how they gonna took that fashion into trends about men, women, the kids, everyone. So learning from the ancient time period really helps out us, because we always says that ancient fashion is coming back by making it up new in the modern phase also. So fashion history is really quite interesting to learn. So guys, this is all about fashion designing subjects. Hope you're gonna connect with it, as fashion designing is a very vast line to learn, but I have just given an overview so that you can get about the subjects of fashion designing. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video, and if so, then turn my great thumbs up into blue and subscribe my channel, press on bell icon so that you can get all the notifications for my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description below. So, and you can also comment your queries, your questions, you can drop and leave right below. So guys, see you soon. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.